Hey guys, what's happening? Kicking is one of the most aggressive mechanics, often overlooked by casual players but crucial in advanced play. Unlike pushing, which is disruptive but subtle, kicking is direct combat. It can knock down, stun, or even eliminate weaker opponents depending on the context. Let's talk about how to kick in game. First of all, usually mapped to a heavy attack button, shift plus attack on PC, R2 plus square or triangle on console. Range, short but powerful, best used in tight corridors or close quarter fights. Stamina use, costs more stamina than push but also has a knockback. When to use kicks? Use kicks during chaos. If cluster of players fight near an obstacle, one placed kick can send someone flying into elimination. In guard rounds, some rebels paths allow you to fight guards. Kicking is essential here, but it interrupts their attacks. For control, a kick isn't just about damage, it buys you space. Kick someone backward and you gain time to reposition. Alright? Advanced kick combos. Kick plus dash. Dash forward, then kick creates momentum-based knockback. Kick cancel. Use a kick mid animation to cancel slow attacks, surprising opponents. Wall kick. Corner enemies against a wall. Then kick repeatedly to keep them locked. So, pro note, kicking isn't just for PvP. In some modes, you can even kick environmental objects like crates or ink barrels to cause chain reaction. So, at the end of the day, pushing, kicking, or even winning every round isn't just about mechanic alone. In-game is designed to mirror real survival games. It tempts you to portray others. It tests your discipline and patience. It forces you to balance aggression with restraint. So, to truly master in-game, you need more than technical skill. You need to ask yourself, do I want to win clean or do I want to win by any means possible? Do I follow the system or do I rebel against it? Those questions don't just shape your playstyle, they shape the ending you see. So, how do you push in red light, green light? By using positioning and timing to create chaos. How do you win in game every single time? By mastering rhythm, stamina, and psychology. And how do you kick effectively? By treating it not just as an attack, but as a tool for control, spacing, and rebellion. In-game is about more than survival. It's about mastering yourself, outsmarting the system, and deciding who you become when the rules are stacked against you. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.